Hi there, good day, and welcome to Excel Questions. My name's Tom, and today we're looking at Advanced Functions question 3. And what this question is all about is we have a range of cells here, have an entire column we want to fill out. We want to sum the total here based on any date in this column B that is within 5 days of that date the particular row is within. So, for example, for I7 here, our date is the 2nd of November 2020, and we want to take that number and then sum anything that is within 5 days of that. So, what is within 5 days of that? We got an expected output here of 4126.91. Let's have a look. So we have the 4th is definitely within 5 days of the 2nd. The 11th is not. So we've got the 4th, the 2nd, and we can see it summing up down here. 4th, the 2nd. We've got the 31st, the 10th. We have the 28th of the 10th, and the other 28th of the 10th entry. That gives us 412691, as you can see, summed down the bottom here. And that would be our expected result. So we need a formula that does that. Now that's all right for one particular row or one cell. I want to do this for the entire column. And as you can see, the expected output, I've given you a number of outputs here to match up against. The expected output is all the way down that column J. And of course, the formula must be draggable. So you must be able to use the same formula down the entire column, grabbing the bottom right corner of the cell and dragging it down so that each of those rows is calculated based on its respective date. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, a sum by criteria is a very common technique used in reporting. This is something that you can't really do so well with some ifs, and it's another tool to add to your report writing arsenal especially if you're in finance, and especially if you're working with dated reports, then this may be very, very useful for you indeed. And that really is the what. How you solve this problem is entirely up to you. Have a good day. Thank you for watching, and if you want the template workbooks or now the answers for this question, you can get them via our link tree, which is in the description. Thank you very much.